Okay, here now at the Solution Source booth, I've got Brian Sutter. He's the Director of Marketing for Solution Source. First question for you, Brian, is what would you want GAWDA distributors to know about Solution Source?
Yeah, so three things I usually say about Solution Source. One is we start by getting to know the needs of your business. We focus on really being a true partner for your business, and then we are committed to that partnership. So we really have the focus that your problem is our problem, and we can use that knowledge of your business to help get the solution you need. Second thing is we are committed to the best customer experience we can provide. So again, your problem is our problem, and we really take a lot of pride in the support we provide to our customers. And then the last thing is we have a proven implementation process. So we've been doing this a long time. And so we know what makes a successful implementation, and we will work with you to get the best result.
Awesome. Yeah, going back to number two, I would say I've been working with Brian for a long time. These guys are always great to work with. So if that's any indicator of how it is to buy from them, I'll give them a testimonial right here and now about that. So second question for you, Brian, what's a differentiating factor for Solution Source versus another software option?
Yeah, so one of the big things we hear from our customers all the time is that responsiveness. That kind of touches on that partnership again.
There you go.
But again, really having the focus that any customer problem is our problem to solve, and we'll work with you to make sure that you have the data that you need to run your business. We talk about making sure you have the right data at the right time to run your business. And so, again, just that responsiveness is really key. Whether you've got customers at the counter or just know you need to get something right, we really are responsive to any request you have and can help figure out the best solution for you.
Awesome. And obviously you guys do software every day, whereas some of these people that have to invest in software is like a one or twice a lifetime thing. What's some advice that you could give to them as they're shopping around to the different options?
Yeah, no, that's a good question. I mean, you're right. Hopefully if you do this process right, it's not a decision you have to make all the time. Hopefully if you do it right, you only have to do it once. But we actually do something really unique. So we have our proven process for running a successful implementation. And the first part of that is actually just doing an engagement to figure out what problems you're trying to solve. And we'll actually do an entire consulting engagement free of charge. We do that for GAWDA members to help you figure out what problems you want to solve and what potential solutions are. That's way before you even sign a contract with us. We just are here to help figure out what the best solution for you is, whether that's us, whether that's somebody else. You could take that consulting document that comes out of that. You could take that to another provider if you wanted to, but that's something that we found in all of our years of doing this. It's really helpful in making sure companies make the right software decision, whether that's us or somebody else. But yeah, would encourage GAWDA members to reach out and have us talk about what problems you want to solve with a new system.
Awesome. Anything new coming out from Solution Source that people should know about?
Yeah, some new things from us. So one, we've got a new partnership with Distributor Data Solutions, DDS. Been a great partner for us with one of our clients, and so we're making that an official partnership and looking forward to working with other clients on with DDS's product. They have a great product that helps make sure your e-commerce experience is the best it can be. Another thing is we are rolling out our own asset tracking module within NetSuite. So we've partnered with other organizations to do asset tracking to this point, but we are creating that feature in NetSuite too, and think that's going to be a big deal for our customers too. And then we have a lot of exciting AI things we're working on too. NetSuite itself as a platform is working on some AI things, but then at Solution Source we are also using AI to help make our support even better and help shine a light on some things in your ERP system that you may or may not know to look for, but we can use AI tools to help make that even better.
Awesome, man. Through discussion with you, it sounds like you guys have had some success here at GAWDA, so it's up to you, man, but if you want to shout out some of the customers here at GAWDA, go ahead and do it.
Yeah, I mean, we've always had a great relationship with a lot of companies in GAWDA, and that's distributors and manufacturers, distributors and suppliers. So yeah, we've worked with Indiana Auction for a long time, of course, and CK for a long time. They've both been great partners, but then also have worked with CryoWorks, and then now Tim, South Texas, signed on here recently too. So we've had a lot of great success with GAWDA companies, and really appreciate the chance to come here and be a part of this great community.
Awesome. Love to hear that, Brian. Thank you so much for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. It's always great to see you and Bill Trail here at the GAWDA shows, and hope to see you for years to come. So thank you so much.
Sounds good. Thanks, Tim.